This is what we came for. Let's find out what we're made of tonight. The way you rock the dance floor, I can feel your heartbeat on mine. I don't know what I'm in for, but baby, keep it going.
Hi everybody, it's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have my sticker guru. I have not peeked, but for the opening I did just open it, as you saw. There we go, sticker guru. This is a monthly subscription that I get. I believe I pay $26.99 and I get weekly, monthly, and then some extras. They are for the Erin Condren planner, but my planner is a happy planner and I have been making it work. So let's see what I got just right out of the bag. These should be for March, and they just come in the cellophane. As you can see, I haven't opened it. And let's see what the plan is for today. All right, let's see what we get. I am going to change, their tiers did change some, and I don't think this card says what they changed to, but I will link it here for you so that you can know what they are if you want to order the Sticker Guru planner stickers. All right, so the first one we have, it says monthly kit freebie. It has these bill due ones, which I think are really cute. I like using the bill due ones. Then this one is March freebie date covers. If you saw my last planner video, then you saw that I did use the date covers. They were really nice. Let's see here. March subscription, page 1, we have a coffee theme. It's got coffee, we've got some flowers and tea. That is right up my alley. Got some books here. Those are really cute. This is page 2. It has the little heart check off boxes, which I like. I like using them for water. I like using them for when I have planned my day and I want to get a lot accomplished. They're really nice for that. And then let's see, these are Monday through Sunday. And then the little geometrics down here. All right, page 3 is weekend, as it says right there. Then we've got to do over here. We've got the Monday through a Sunday stickers. I really like those. And then these little boxes are really good for just, I like using them for keeping track of my weight loss. We have some more bill due today, little things, and then this week in our little rundown. We have some rescheduled and canceled stickers down here on the bottom. Page 5 is another whole thing of the heart check off boxes. Y'all don't look at my nails. They are looking pretty bad. I was going to do them today. I try to do them on Mondays, but that didn't get done because I have to go to work. I got called into work this morning. Let's see what else we got. So page 6, we have some fun little stickers. We have, this one says Happy Mail, plan next week. We've got some glasses, The little grocery shopping is really cute. Laundry day, that was supposed to be today, but no laundry happening here. And then we've got, these are strips. They look like they're a big box, but they're not. They're strips, which is cute for decorating the little boxes. And then we have this one that says March across the top. Since I'm using the Happy Planner, I have to cut mine off just a little bit, but then it works just fine. Life begins after coffee. Then we have some more of the numbers down here. We've got a little plane if you're going on a trip. Alright. The next page I got has the different things that are happening for spring. We have St. Patrick's Day, spring break, spring begins, and daylight savings. Do you guys have daylight savings? We do, and sometimes I wish they'd just leave it alone. I really like these ones down here. Not that I don't know when I get paid, but sometimes my husband gets paid every 2 weeks, and sometimes I'm like, does he get paid this week or next week? Sometimes I get it all mixed up. All right, the next page, and this is the last page, looks like this. We've got the month right there of April. And then just some more coffee shop and little geometric boxes down here. All right, there is my sticker guru for March. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My hair's all crazy. 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 sheets for, I think, $26. And then here's the little card that has her name on it, and it's stickerguruco.com. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and it's got their, you can join their email list for 15% off. Alrighty, I hope everybody enjoyed this little quick video. I am off to work. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.
Never up, never down.